Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. It is the exact same weather as it was earlier. 44 degrees, hazy outside. Who do we have first in the chat today? We got Chris first in the chat, baby. Love it. Chris. We got Dark Bro, Chris, Dark Bro, Nick F. Good afternoon to you. Arthur, Dark Bro, Chris, Sky Stonify, Old Rounder, Square Dudes, Sky Stonify, and Arthur. We got Old Rounder, Brandon, Dark Bro, Old Rounder, and Lyman Dave. Good afternoon to all of you guys. Let's see what's going on in the market right now. I gotta fix this a little bit. Looks a little tilted. I'm gonna get dizzy. Alright, I think that might be a little bit better there. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. AMC closed the day at $6.13, sitting at $6.13 after hours. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $9.27 right now, up 1.92%. GameStop, $24.78 close on the day, up 11.32%. People getting excited about this Wall Street Bets deal and watching GameStop move higher with the guys from Wall Street Bets buying in there. Bitcoin, let's zoom in a little bit further so we can get a little bit of action there and actually see what's going on in GameStop. Bitcoin sitting at 17,193. It is up from earlier, but down a little bit from this afternoon. The NASDAQ closing up over 1% today, 1.13% higher. GameStop, like I said, 24.78. Bureau Therapeutics, 19.73, down 3% after hours. AMC, 6.13. Ethereum, Shiba, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin all in positive territory right now. Sundial closing 1.88% lower at 261. Molinado 19 cents, up slightly after hours. CEI 8.7 cents. The SPY sitting at 396 at the close. BBIG 59.5 cents. Highcroft Mining 51 cents. Highcroft Mining might be on its way back down to 20 cents. Is that where? Yeah, 28 cents before Adam Aaron got involved. And just like shares of AMC, it has been coming down since the Adam Aaron spike. Adam Aaron gets involved and then, look what happens there. I don't know about that. So we got Highcroft Mining sitting at 51.72 right now. Netflix closing the day at 310. It was up. We got 310.50 on Netflix there. Terra Luna Classic sitting at 17,327, up 5% on the day, but coming down from earlier this afternoon. QQQ 283.85 and Ape sitting at 82.90 right now. Touching 82 right there. It was at the low of the day. 81 was the low of the day. Touching 82 this afternoon and closing at 82.90 today. Man, oh man. Tough action for both stocks and crypto over the last, forever. Nice pump for Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin did go on a nice little run earlier today. Hopefully listen, I'm okay with a Bitcoin bottom. I'm okay with Bitcoin falling down to 5,000. I am completely okay with either one of those moves, man. Let's see. Angel says, yeah, dude, I'm driving right now through Cleveland, Ohio into Willoughby, and it's very cloudy. I missed the sun. Oh, dude, I missed the sun too, man. I miss the sunshine. I miss you, sunshine. I just made that song up. Did you guys like it? Because I do miss the sun. I miss the warm sun. I don't even know the last time I've been outside, man. It's crazy. Hey guys, can't stay, but I'll see you tomorrow. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for being in here, clicking the like button, all that good stuff. Enjoy the rest of your day if you can't stay and hang out with us. Appreciate you being in here, man. What's going on with AMC? Absolutely garbage. I don't know why I bought it today. Anyone wants to buy it from me for $6.39. Tap channel, man. AMC's got a lot going on, actually. And it's got a lot of downward action due to potential dilution and things like that. Here's some good news and a little bit of hope if you are considering holding on to AMC. GameStop rallying today on the fact that the Wall Street Bet boys started jumping back into GameStop. And I believe they were saying that Roaring Kitty, look, I don't follow anything on Reddit, but a lot of people were coming in here today saying that Roaring Kitty and some of these OGs from Wall Street Bets began buying GameStop again today, and that's why it closed up 11.5%. If this is true, there is a possibility that it reignites excitement in AMC as well, because we know that the GameStop was the OG. We know that GameStop was one of the reasons that AMC was even on the map. So if it happens again, take advantage of it, right? Take advantage of it. I'm all for a short squeeze, but I am for profit taking. Okay, and I think we've all matured beyond the point where we don't really care if people on the internet call us a shill. I don't care if people on the internet call me a shill. So, profit taking is the name of the game, man. I've been going back and forth. I've got 30 million LUNC and thinking about scaling back to maybe 10 and getting back into Shiba and Doge. Hey, Angel, look, I don't think the diversification is a bad idea, man. I really don't. I don't know where your Terra Luna Classic's at, like what price point you've got it at, but Terra Luna Classic also has some catalysts out there. If these developers can get their act together and development happens on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. Same deal for for Shiba and Doge though. Shiba and Doge, well, Doge doesn't have anything going on in terms of development, and Shiba Inu coin, the Shibarium layer 2 blockchain keeps getting kicked down the road. The AAA graphics card game had 250,000 downloads and seems to be stalling out a little bit. Nobody knows if Wellies is even still open. I want to see if Wellies is still open. We could just Google Wellies, I would imagine. So yeah, dude, there's you've always got those catalysts to worry about, but diversification is not a bad idea. Wellies burgers. This place still open? Well, I mean, it looks like it's still open. Seemingly still open. I don't know. Eatwellies.com. Maybe that was their website. My gosh, dude, what is this? What was the last tweet? Well, they know it's December. I don't know. I guess they're still open. I was worried about that. But I guess they're good to go now. King Crow, get to the level of BNB 2030 time frame. So CD WIT, not the price point. Crypto.com coin is not going to get to that level unless they burn a lot of Crypto.com coin. So there is a drastic difference in the amount of coins outstanding when it comes to Crypto.com coin and BNB. So let's take a look and just see where Crow falls on here, if we can find it. Okay. So Kronos, or Crypto.com coin, sitting at 6.5 cents right now, has a $1.6 billion market cap. All right. In order to reach BNB, all it would have to do is like 30x. Okay. And if you're 30xing 6 cents, it's going to get to $1.80. Right? If 30x 6 cents, you're getting to $1.80. So in order to reach BNB prices of $300 or $600, like the peak had there, drastic amount. You have to burn 90% of all of the Crow that's out there. So in terms of market cap, yes, it can absolutely reach the price of Binance coin. All it's got to do is increase the amount of users that it has, increase the amount of daily transactional volume that it has, and grow as an exchange, which is completely possible. It could exceed Binance's market cap one day, but will it exceed Binance's price is a completely different story, because it's got a drastically more coins outstanding than Binance does. So think in terms of market cap, not necessarily just price. It would have to 30x or get to $1.80 to be worth the same as BNB is. So the answer is yes, that it can get to that level, but not the price level. There would be a huge difference. Dumping snow here again. Been shoveling all day. My gosh, Sky Stonify, you guys are getting hit hard lately. We haven't really had any actual snow. I haven't heard anything about Chip Bro lately. Is he hibernating? Yeah, dude, I actually haven't seen Chip Bro in several weeks, man. So I guess chipmunks don't actually hibernate, but they don't really do anything except leave to go to the bathroom when it starts to get cold outside. So they'll go out, and for the most part, they've already stored up all of their food down in their hole, but apparently they don't go to the bathroom down in their house. So they come out to go to the bathroom, and that's basically it. So I highly doubt that I'll be seeing any chipmunks probably until springtime again. I mean, maybe if we get a couple warm days or something, if it gets back up into the 50s, which I don't even know if it will. But yeah, dude, I highly doubt that I see him. So they technically don't hibernate, but yeah, he's going to be hiding down in his hole for probably the rest of the winter. Dude, what's going on? Transparent Trading. Hopefully you're having a good day today, man. Outdoor. Boom. Yo, Sky, what's going on? Wall Street Bet Boys. Yes, roulette wheel. That is them. Pudgy is here. What's going on, Pudgy? I was wondering where you were. Everybody, sorry I'm late. Route 30 was a mess. Darn, Tim. Darn, man. Well, I'm glad that you are home now and good to go. Nobody likes getting stuck in traffic. Hey, didn't have his safe search on. Dude, I don't know what that was. It was Wellies, man. It was Wellies. Some girl trying to sell some burgers or something, dude. I don't know what she was trying to do. Coolio, thanks. Absolutely, CD Wit. Chipmunks don't poo where they eat. Sounds pretty smart. It really does, man. And I know that Chip Bro has a ton of food stacked up. So that dude better not be crapping on his food. He's got a lot of food down there, man. He's got if you just add up all of the bags of sunflower seeds that I gave that dude this year, and bags of bird seed that I gave those dudes this year, yeah, man, he's got a lot of food that he could easily hang out on all winter long. I'm not worried about him getting hungry this winter. Cold, maybe. Hungry, no, I'm not worried about him. I'm not worried about him getting hungry. What is the status of LUNC? ESKO, ESCO, man. Status of LUNC is currently as follows. A little bit of hype and excitement in the community this morning because Do Kwon is trying to shift blame on the Terra Luna Classic and USTC DPEG from himself over to Sam Bankman-Fried. The U.S. prosecutors in New York City have decided that they are going to look into Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX and the possibility that he manipulated the market, which he manipulated an unregulated market. So who the heck even cares if he manipulated that market? But would have manipulated an unregulated market and potentially caused USTC to depeg. People are excited about this. USTC was up like 20% earlier today. Luna 2.0 was up earlier. And Terra Luna Classic up about 5% because people think that somehow this is a good idea or good news, I should say. It still shows that even if it was manipulated, the algorithmic stablecoin did not work. You should be able to short a zillion of them. If it's stable, it's not going to fall or fail. And if only $1 billion in short interest came out and caused an entire collapse of a $60 billion ecosystem, hey man, I almost think that it's better. I almost think that it's better that it happened. Imagine what would have gone on if they didn't do that and we were sitting here 3 years down the road and Terra Luna Classic's ecosystem had a $1 trillion valuation and then they shorted a couple $1 billion worth and destroyed $1 trillion in wealth. Yeah, I'm almost glad that it was exploited like that. Shit, oh, I saw that already. Some girl trying to sell some... No, she was selling burgers, Tim. She was trying to sell Wellies burgers, I swear. NFT participates at the bear market for crypto because less money goes into the crypto and split with NFT. 5,000 NFT have went into crypto, for example. What do you think? Oh, boy. Din! I don't know if I understand. NFT participates in the bear market because less money goes into crypto and split with NFT. 5,000 NFT have went into crypto, for example. What do you think? Din, I'm going to be honest, man. I don't know how to interpret that question there, so I'm not exactly sure what you're asking. And I'm not exactly sure what you're asking, dude. I have no idea how to answer it. Try to rephrase it. With a 50% remint, I figured LUNC can maybe 80x max. Does that sound right? Well, Dan, it could still... Yeah, so if Terra Luna Classic is going to be getting back to its previous all-time high valuations, then yeah, it could still, 60x or whatever. It could still hit a $60 billion market cap. When you burn, if we are able to burn massive amounts, that number just increases. If we can burn 50% of the supply, theoretically we can 120x in price. If we can burn 90% of the supply, we can theoretically 600x in price. It all does come down to burns, but I'm going to be honest with you, man. I don't think that these guys are going to push the burn initiative much longer. I think that burns are going to be a thing of the past. I don't think that we are going to focus on burning. I think that the kind of, not meme status, but like meme price of Terra Luna Classic may be here to stay, man. Because I really don't think that these guys that are in charge care about burns. I made 13% of the Shiba 25x long. I was in the other day. Nice, transparent, very good. Booty in the future. What's going on, Rozzy? How you doing, man? Well, what are you been asking about? Heck yeah, man. He's back. Guess who's back? Back again. Rozzy's back. Tell a friend. Read some headlines that Shib will have some announcements tonight and possible timelines. Heard anything? CD Wit. I have actually not heard anything about announcements or timelines or anything like that yet. Here's one thing that I do know. Shiba Inu coin developers and these ecosystem kids have never given us a timeline on anything. So I would be skeptical if anybody telling us that we're going to get a timeline, because they have never given us a timeline on anything. Everything has always been soon, friend. When? W-E-N? Soon, friend. Weird spelling on purpose, but nonetheless, dude, we've never gotten a timeline, so I would not expect one now. Okay, Din. If NFTs didn't exist at this moment of crisis, we would have been better with our crypto because money is split between NFTs and crypto rather than all going to crypto. Yeah. Okay, so Din, that I understand. Quite possibly. Okay. I know that a lot of money was spent on NFTs, and a lot of value was made and lost in NFTs. So theoretically, yes. But also there's a lot of factors that I don't know how they played in. So there was probably a lot of people that saw the Bored Ape Yacht Club and Mutant Ape Yacht Club excitement and hype and those crypto punks and those NFTs like that. And they saw those for the first time and became encouraged to get into cryptocurrency. If that type of marketing and those types of gains caused people to come into the crypto space, I don't know where the offset is. So I don't know if it's like, okay, well, the NFT market is worth $10 billion right now, and that would be $10 billion that would be in the crypto market if it wasn't in the NFT market. I don't know if that's necessarily a fair assumption to make, because it may be $10 billion that's in the NFT market, but those people who got excited and bought NFTs, maybe they bought $5 billion worth of cryptocurrency as well. And the cryptocurrency market would be even lower if the NFT market didn't exist. So I'm not 100% sure if it's just an even split saying, okay, all the money that's in NFTs right now would have been in crypto if those NFTs didn't exist. I really don't know what the breakdown would be on that. But you're on the right path the way you're thinking, though, man. It went into the future. It was not good. Dang it, man. Well, I'm glad you came back to the past then, because it's better here. Shib Devs timeline soon. But here's a riddle. Yes, here's a riddle, and here's a big old question mark. Adam Members present. Oh, God. Oh, that does not sound good to me, Rozzy. I think the burns are over. There are a lot of similarities between Shib and LUNC. It started trying to lower the supply and raise the price. Then it changed to ways to make other people rich. And then when he shifted from burns to someone's pocket. Yes. And I don't know if Shiba Inu coin burns are really going in anybody's pockets. But Shiba Inu coin burns, dude, they're low. And people get excited when somebody burns 10 million Shiba Inu coin. That's $100, man. I mean, I understand if one single person is burning $100, but if you've got if you've got 10 million Shiba Inu coin being burnt in a day, and that's exciting, and it's $100 compared to a $5 to $6 billion chain, those burns don't really exist. That's just someone kind of losing money at that point. So, I mean, I agree that we could be heading in that direction for Terra Luna Classic as well. Which is weird to me, man. They said that 300 million was too low of burns. So then they lowered them to 30 million. And now they're basically lowering them to 10 to 15 million per day. I don't get it. They were too low to begin with at 300 million, so let's lower them even further. That part doesn't make sense to me. Let's see. Is it true that TFL are going to maintain Terra Station, etc. for free till LUNC gets to a $40 billion market cap? So, Paul, I actually do not know if there's a market cap stipulation on how long Terraform Labs or TFL is going to maintain Terra Station. But from the latest things that I have seen, right? I don't have any contact with guys I don't have any contact with any of the developers. I don't have any contact, for Terraform Labs or for Terra Rebels. I don't have any contact with any of these guys, so I don't know what they're doing. I basically see what you guys see, but probably try to stay a little bit more up to date on what you guys see, because I know everybody's going to be asking me questions and stuff like that. So the latest that I have seen is that, yes, Terra Station will continue for at least the foreseeable future to be supported by the Terra, not Rebels, but the Terraform Labs and Do Kwon's guys. So that's the latest that I've seen. Scastonify, that's kind of my point. 10% it's burned. Then what's the point? When is it supposed to be all burned? Yeah, Dan, man, if we're burning... When is it supposed to be all burned? I'll tell you. Never. If you can never get to zero by burning a percentage. Okay? It's kind of like, you ever heard of those games where if you take two things or if you take two people and you move them half the distance towards each other, when will they meet? Well, theoretically, never. Right? Because half. It's just going to go 0.0000000. It never gets to an actual zero. So if you only burn a percentage like that, and the burn tax is the only thing going on, theoretically you would never get to a zero supply unless somebody stepped in and manually pushed you over the limit and burnt their last coin, which I highly doubt that they would do. But that would be hilarious, wouldn't it? Wouldn't that be hilarious if somebody literally burnt the very last coin and just said, forget it, it's over, and they burnt the very last Terra Luna Classic? Oh, God, that would be such a troll move. That would be such an Elon Musk move right there. If Elon came in, he just burnt the last of it after we worked for like 15 years to burn everything. The dude comes in and just burns the entire supply, and literally nobody has Terra Luna Classic at that point. Oh boy. So yeah, dude. When do you really get to the burns? If you're burning 0.1% on every transaction, if you're just looking at the numbers right now, let's just try to make them a little bit easy. So $1 billion market cap. $1 billion market cap divided by the 0.1% burn tax. You would need to trade, what is that, $1 trillion. You would need, I think you would need to trade $1 trillion, and the supply, or the price, would never be able to go up at that point. It would just simply keep burning and burning and burning. But that would still, because 1 billion, the entire market cap. But see, percentages don't work that way. You would burn $1 billion worth of the coin if you traded $1 trillion worth of the coin. But theoretically, there would just be less coins out there. Yeah, you can't do it, man. You can't burn it down to zero. It's impossible. It's impossible with this percentage burn. It's impossible with this percentage burn. Not financial advice. Deb is a synonym for trust me, bro. While they load their pot. Hey, Tim, you know what? It is. It is. There are some projects out there, and I can't rip on guys like Vitalik, right? I was trying to talk about Vitalik earlier, and the guy that's the founder of Ethereum, okay? That's kind of the guy that you want developing your project, because like I said earlier, I really don't think that guy cares too much about money. He's got a crap ton of it with Ethereum right now, but I really think that guy. I like money. I do. That's why I talk about money. That's why I talk about finance and crypto and stocks and percentages and these movements and stuff, because I like the numbers and the compound interest and the growth and all of that. These guys like code, and these guys like the computer interacting, and these guys like the technology and stuff like that. When you've got developers on Shiba Inu coin, and developers on SafeMoon, and developers on Terra Luna Classic, and developers on some of these other projects, it is pretty tough, man, to differentiate between whether or not they're developing because they want to develop, or whether or not they're running a project and they see all of that money and they're like, give me some of that money. It's very tough to determine and have that discretion on what their priorities are. Where's everybody at? Pudgy. I have no idea, man. I have no idea. Everybody is just silent in the chat right now. Somebody please talk. What's going on? Libra, thoughts on Loaded Lions NFT on Crypto.com. So, I've never really looked into them, but I know those guys are popular on Twitter. They got Crypto.com's got a little bit of a cult-like following too. You know, kind of like Shiba Inu coin and Terra Luna Classic and stuff like that. This Crow fam. So I don't know anything about the Loaded Lions or how much their floor price is, what they're worth, and stuff like that. But I think that these NFT projects can make a comeback. I think these NFT projects can make a comeback after the bear market's over and things begin to run again. I think that people will be wanting to buy their NFTs and stuff and to increase the prices of those. But as far as Loaded Lions goes, I don't even know what the floor price is. Let's see if we can get it here. All right, $2,000 buy it now floor price and a $200 auction floor price. Very nice. Patrick, I'm here, baby. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee, Patrick, man. Thank you very much for that authorized titration. And because Tim loves it so much, Clibro says he likes money, but we all know King Turkey is the... King Turkey is the passion, and it is the love. Thank you very much, Tim, for the super chat. Loving that right there, man. Really appreciate all you guys. Let's check out these loaded lions for Tim now and see what's going on here. Because I've never looked into these guys. They look pretty cool there. That little lion right there sitting in a swimming pool with all those nice little unicorns. 4,335 different owners, 10,000 NFT project, $49 million traded, $2,000 buy it now price, and a $200 auction price. Don't know if anybody is going to be taking $200 for these jacked lions right here, but hey, could be cool, man. Could be cool. Hey, go in there. Listen, go in there and lowball these dudes, man. Somebody might take it. Somebody might end up taking it if you go in there and lowball one of these guys. They might just want to get out. They might end up taking 200, 300, 400, 100. Who the heck knows? Then you can put yours for sale for 2,000 and see if anybody comes and offers you anything. But yeah, man, I've never looked through these guys. They do look pretty sweet, but NFTs are crazy, man. NFTs are not as liquid as coins are. For example, you buy a $2,000 NFT. How are you going to be able to sell that $2,000 NFT? You can't just go out there and click the sell button on a $2,000 NFT. You can list it for $1,000. Somebody might eat it up because it's below the floor. But you buy $2,000 with a crow, Crypto.com coin, and you decide you don't want it, whatever the price is at, man, you just go sell it. You just go click the sell button, and it's gone. So NFTs are cool. NFTs might have a huge value, but NFTs are not liquid, and it is something that you should be concerned about if you're buying NFTs. JJ!
I am Batman. I am Batman.
Thank you very much, JJ, for the super sticker. Because I am Batman. I like it, JJ. Thank you very much, man. Mission accomplished. Dogs are going ape crap. I don't know what ape crap is, but I'm glad your dogs are happy. I've been a ball busting them all day. Well, man, keep busting basketballs around, and I'm sure that they will go crazy even more. I need a straight jacket meme because I logged in here, and Clay is now a turkey with a crown. What in the... Kenneth, you know exactly what's going on, man. Act like you don't know what's going on. This dude, Kenneth, come on. We know that you know what's going on. We know that you know that we know that you know what is going on, Kenneth. Come on now. We do know. Oh, and just to let you guys know what we do know, crypto started to bounce a little bit, and CeeLo. I was short on CeeLo. Not a major trade, right? These are my KuCoin swings that I can take the profit off of and move on over to like Trust Wallet, buy some coins up and move on over to Trust Wallet, or just move USDT over to Trust Wallet. I am in Band right now. I am long on Band. The hourly chart was looking like it wanted to break out to the upside. I'm going to keep a tight stop on it. It's currently at $2.14 here. I am in at 213.9 or something, 213.8. So it is right at my purchase price there. But nonetheless, if you looked at this, it might be a little bit more difficult to see on here as opposed to looking at the candles. But if you were looking at the candles, you've got this hourly chart here. This is a daily chart, but I was looking at the hourly on KuCoin, and it was rising, and it was it tried to break out of 215, tried to break out, and was steadily, if you had the candles on here, maybe we could see it. This might be better. What do we got here? Daily, if we're looking at an hourly. Yeah, so if you're looking at this hourly right here, it wicked up, was trying to break, and slowly increasing over like the last 6 hours, trying to break. It is kind of sitting sideways right now, so I'll keep a tight stop on it just in case it does break back down. But sentiment looked like it was trying to break to the upside, excluding this candle right here. I don't really like this candle, but the wicking up I do like. So if it does break this resistance at 215, it could absolutely shoot up to 220. And a break of that, man, takes you back to like 230, 240, and in this area right in here, which is the major level of shorter-term resistance that would need broken on band. So swapped that trade, short CeeLo, because it started to bounce back up, and actually not too bad. I got out at 59, and it shot up to like 60 and a half. So not a bad move there, but yeah, looking for a little bit of a breakout, a little bit of a pop on this. Otherwise, well, dude, we'll just cut it short. I'm not married to these trades. They're just swing trades. So we'll see how that plays out a little bit later. What's going on there? Higley, what about Kuma Inu? Christopher, I do not know anything about this Inu, man. But it sounds like, if you're interested in Kuma Inu, sounds like we might be getting back into some 2021 questions now with all these random little Inus. Well, man, you want my honest opinion on it? If this doesn't get some sort of crazy cult-like following, I don't know if this coin's going to succeed. It did very well when everybody was buying literally anything back in 2021 and shot up drastically in value. I mean, I don't even know if these are real prices here. That looks real. Going from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. To 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 10, basically 50xing in value from this area. I don't know if this area is real. 50xing from this area up to its peak right here. Massive gains with people literally making money on anything in 2021. Back down to, looks like what, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros again. So it is back down to these levels right here that you were seeing in 2021 before it ran. Do I think you're going to 50x again? Dude, not without another bull market that people are just willing to buy anything in. And a $1.5 million market cap, unless this coin is able to market to the masses, or unless this coin gets some sort of a cult-like following like Shiba Inu coin has. Gosh, you guys missed all of that. I was doing it all on this chart. I was doing it correct. Sorry you missed it. But, yeah, I would be skeptical that this coin sees massive explosions again. Bitcoin is looking really strong to me. Excellent setup for a big move up. Old rounder. That is one of the reasons that I took a little bit of a long here on band. If you look at Bitcoin, I don't know if it's an excellent setup, right? It is a test of the upper level of resistance. But I do agree with you. If it breaks, it's going to be looking pretty good. So what we're seeing right here is a Normally, if you've got this sort of action going on down at a level of support, it just, you can tell it wants to break down. It wants to break down through that level of support. Very similar to what it was doing here when it wasn't able to bounce back up, but it kept retesting, and finally it did break on the FTX news and all of that stuff there. This, however, is the opposite. This is, it's not able to really come back down, but keeps trying to retest the upside and retest a breakout of resistance. And that's bullish. I mean, it is a bullish move. That's why I felt comfortable taking that short off, even though it could have produced more losses and better profits for me on CeeLo. I'm still bearish short term, right? But if it breaks resistance, yeah, dude, it could go back on a little run back up to 18,000, 19,000 here. And a 10% move is a 10% move. So that's why I've got a KuCoin account to kind of take advantage of these short-term swings and of these short-term trades and just stack in a DeFi wallet like Trust Wallet at the current point in time. And of course, you guys can't see that again. You guys, I am like losing. This is what I was talking about on Bitcoin here, trying to break back up out of resistance. And if it does, shoot back up to that $18,000, $19,000 level. And you guys were sitting there looking at Kuma Inu that entire time. My gosh, man. I'm missing it on the screens in this one. 25.6% on POL as of today. Warren Buffett ain't got nothing on me. I'm King Kong, baby. Nice, Tim. Dude, 25% is a huge gain, Tim. My goodness, man. Tim's killing it. Bro, I just stopped and helped this poor lady who got ran off the road out of a ditch. Nice. Dark, bro. Very good, man. Very good. I don't know how you helped her, but these old ladies, man. These old ladies, they do need some help. And think about it, like if it was your grandma, dude. Your grandma ain't going to be doing nothing to get out of a ditch except sitting in a ditch. Even if it's just on the side of the road, man. If you're stuck in some snow or whatever. Yeah, dude, I'd be sitting. Like, what am I going to do? If I get stuck in a ditch, I'm sitting in a ditch. You need somebody to help push your car and all that stuff to help get you out of there. So, nice, Dark Bro. Coming to the rescue. Dark Bro just saved your grandma. Dark Bro just saved your grandma. You guys better be happy about that. Simone, soon to go to $1. They are done shopping and starting to build first quarter orders on 5 electric vehicle cars. Wow. Okay, Kenneth, that sounds good, man. On the Mullen 5 SUV crossover will be available at a starting price of $55,000. Dude, if Mullen Auto 5Xs, almost 6Xs to $1, that's going to be solid, Kenneth. I absolutely hope that Mullen Auto. I don't know if I'll be taking a position in Mullen Auto. But if it 5Xs to $1, man, you're gonna be making some sick gains there. Hey, bro! Market prediction tomorrow: red or green? I'm actually predicting a little bit of a green tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be a big green candle, but I think we come back up slightly, maybe retest this little level in here before we tank back down and fall. I would see a little bit of a curl before we retest and come back down to this 10 area. I'm going to guess red. I'm going to guess slightly green tomorrow. What do you guys guess as I ask the 8-ball? Guess red or green tomorrow on the market. JJ wants to know, is the market going to be red or green tomorrow? Oh, no. Is the market going... I have to ask yes or no. It's not going to tell me red or green. Is the market going to go up tomorrow? Outlook, good. The outlook... I don't know if you can see it. Gosh. It's so difficult to show you this. The outlook's good. It's so difficult to get that thing to come up when I got to turn it sideways. The outlook is good for an up market tomorrow, JJ. A DPL could receive bans. I don't know who DPL is. Could receive bans from Mullen as the agreement provided on the 18-month time frame from July. Very nice, man. I made it. MK Ultra Patient. Glad to have you in, man. Kenneth at the Mullen runs goes to $1. I'm retiring. Oh, God. Tim, I hope it does, man. I hope it does. So my radar off the road. Had to pull her out with my... Nice. Stark, bro. Very good, dude. Very good. Clear brother Kip Forte. Yep, you're sitting in a ditch. Yeah, you idiot, man. You just... I can't wait until I'm sitting in that ditch one day. Tim drives on by, and this jerk doesn't even help me. Because he'll know it's me. He'll be like, Kia Forte? Yeah, forget that. Idiot's driving a Kia Forte. He doesn't deserve any help. Tim, Mullen goes to $1. I get a deal on a side of... cow. Yeah. Yeah, me too, Tim. Tim, you just need to start supplying us all with some, with nice, healthy, clean, unprocessed food that we don't have to worry about going through. We need that local farm-fresh beef, that farm-fresh pork, man. Tim, you need to start hooking all the bros up. We got to get that bro beef going, man. We got to get that bro beef going and get all the bros this nice grass-fed beef so that we can all eat healthy and not have to worry about all the Dude, Tim's probably pumping steroids in all of his cows and pigs, man. Pumping them up, so yeah. Tim, you pumping your guys full of steroids or what? We eating good over here, or we eating some of those growth hormones, man? Yes, Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick's Arnold's voice. Hey, bro, get to the chopper. These guns are the only gains you'll ever need. Nah. My impressions are terrible, Patrick. Get to the chopper. These guns are the only gains you'll ever need. Nah. Oh my God, I can't do it. I'm embarrassed to do it. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I don't know why you guys gonna embarrass me with these impressions, man. I'm so bad at it. I don't even think that I'm good at it, man. Patrick, thank you very much. Whew! Barthwick, 25-year leading commercial sales for Ford, will spearhead Mullen commercial vehicle sales. His previous accomplishments with Ford include grew West region commercial vehicle sales. Very nice, Kenneth. Tim would at least toss you a 6-pack and a pack of smokes, bro. I don't want a pack of smokes. I'm going to do this 6-pack and a pack of smokes. Come on. All right, screenshot of that, Tim. I don't even know what Tim said, man. Oh, he's going to send him a whole cow. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Dude, I'd take a whole cow. What can I do with a cow? Can I keep a cow in my backyard here? Maybe I will. 50 Shades of Croy. What's going on? It's already sausage. We already like sausage. How much meat do we... Oh, we need all the meat, man. We need all the meat. 1776. As much as we can get, man. We got all the bro beef, dude. We need as much clean bro beef as possible. We do. There's no denying that. Please don't ever deny that you need as much bro beef as possible. Kia Forte, think bigger, Clay. A Kia Carnival is the way we ride, bro. Nufo, Kia to Pluto, ahoo. Nufo, man, glad to have you in here. Okay, Kia Carnival one day. Kia Carnival, we're thinking big on that. I like it, dude. Back out to Bitcoin at the moment. We'll watch this minute chart here and see how this bad boy plays out. Literally nothing going on after hours for AMC. Shiba is dead right now. Oh my gosh. GameStop sitting at 24.78 and Bitcoin trying to move around a little bit, but not doing too much. Arnold Schwarzenegger from Austria. Yes. This was the Arnold Schwarzenegger from, well, who the heck knows where. Chris, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Because I ran out of gas, so off work early today. Have to work an extra hour tomorrow now. Crap! Wanting a D-Day tomorrow. Low on that gas as well. Well, dude, how many hours you got to work tomorrow anyway? You got to work a full day tomorrow? Or you only got like half a day plus your hour? Or what do you got to do? You can still have a down day. You can still have a down day with the D-Day tomorrow. Volt Inu getting listed on Apollinix tomorrow. The project has been listed on 96 exchanges in under a year, making moves in a bear market. Imagine what happens in a bull market. Keith, yeah, if people stay interested in Volt Inu, Volt could probably have some pretty massive gains during a bull market. Volt Inu, they get a lot of marketing. They get a lot of marketing going on. Mochi! You best practice that King Cow if you get a cow in your backyard, Clay. Oh, I'm going to practice right now. Tim, this one's for you. Moo! 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 Dude, that's like dead on. That is a guaranteed cow, man. Thank you very much, Emoji, for the super chat. And hey, send me a cow, Tim. I could actually practice and listen to that cow all day long. And I guarantee you, I open that window right there, and I start mooing, and the cows start mooing, and you guys realize that my moo is unstoppable. Yeah, you're going to take back all those moo jokes that you have ever said. Closed PBI numbers tomorrow are too risky. Your wins or losses could be destroyed pre-market. Yeah, we got PPI coming out tomorrow. The producer price index is coming out tomorrow at 8:30, right? Let's see if that's the case out here. Tomorrow. We'll click on that. Yes, tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. We've got the producer price index coming out here. And where are we? Well, dude, they're actually expecting a pretty decent decline in the producer price index from 8% down to 7.4%, and then excluding food and energy from 6.7 down to 6%. So they are expecting a decent decline, which could be good news if we do get that decline right there. Obviously, if it doesn't decline as much, we might see some losses going into the day tomorrow, and of course we could see that pullback if PPI is not looking good. Safe Moon, yeah, Safe Moon. You better watch out for Safe Moon, like coins, dude. Nobody wants to have their rug pulled. I'm down with splitting that Tim Cow outdoors. No, man, come on. What are we doing? He's sending me the whole cow. Just to be perfectly clear, steroids are extremely expensive. I'm an independent farmer. It's grass-fed with corn silage. I pride myself on raising healthy food. Damn, man, I don't know how expensive steroids are, and I don't even know what they do for cows. But, yeah, Tim, you sell direct-to-consumer, man? I might have to start getting my meat off you. I don't know how else to phrase it, Tim. Like, I want to buy your meat, man. I don't know how else to phrase that. I think that might be something that I'm interested in. Wait, warning, tomorrow is D-Day, currently 35.75 hours, so can only work until 11 a.m. Oh, 40 hours, so you're limited to 40 hours. Gotcha. All right, well, thank you for warning me that tomorrow is D-Day. Does that mean, Chris, that you will be listening to the live stream, or you will be busy during the live stream tomorrow? If you're only working until 11 a.m. and you get off when we go on, will you be listening to the live stream, or will you be D-Daying it up? What do you think of Richard Hart and Hex? Russell, I actually don't know too much about Richard. I never watch his stuff, but everybody that likes Hex loves Richard, man. So he definitely has his following, and it translates very well into the following for Hex, man. I've never owned it. I've never looked into owning it, but I know everybody that comes in here talking about it loves Richard. How much moo could a moo if a cow moo could moo? A lot, 1776. I would say a lot. She said that I did, man. It's true. It's true. I don't even know how else to phrase that. I don't even know how else to phrase that, man. Where's the beef, man? Clay's a bro. Ray, you're a bro, dude. Ray is a bro too. I prefer double D-Day. Nice. Is that like going to 2 Ds in the same day? Or I don't even know what that looks like. Bye, LUNC, bruv. Yeah, a lot of people, I would imagine a lot of people, not the majority, but I would imagine a lot of people in here do have Terra Luna Classic. Whoo! Let's go check out Band to see if it's ripping lower and destroying any of the potential profits that we got, or where it's sitting right now. It's not ripping lower. It's sitting at 213, kind of what we were expecting. Right there, bouncing back between 213 and 214. 213, 214. Got it at like 213.9 or 213.8 or something. So we'll see if it's able to break out of the upside. If not, doesn't have to be a very long trade. Just trying to get some action to the upside there as it potentially breaks out of this 215 level of resistance that it's been creating over the last couple of hours. I did want to see it though, man, because I always get nervous if you get into some of these trades that you're not used to, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh well, I'm just gonna go ahead and tank on you. That's never good, right? Let's see. Chris, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Because I will be here tomorrow in the live, or just sending now in case I lose track of time or something. Chris, don't lose track of time, man. Don't lose track. When you get off work tomorrow, come in the live stream, Chris. Hang out with us. You can have your D-Day and your Bro Day as well, man. Just come hang out with us when you get off work tomorrow. And thank you very much for the super chat, Chris. Absolutely appreciate that, man. I have 2 million LUNC, and I bought at 52. I am crying. The good news is, Max, you could technically average down if you wanted to. If not, look, dude, long term, if these developers don't screw the project over, I think that we're definitely going back up above 52. If they don't build anything, I don't know if we'll make it back above 52. But the good news is you could definitely average down and hopefully take a little swing and either get back out if you want, or take another 2 million off the table so that you still got the same amount riding, however you want to look at it. But it's not impossible to be able to average down and kind of swing it and try to get out of a mess if you think you're in a mess there. Hang in there, Max. Show off. Yeah, who's showing off? I don't know anybody showing off. Click. I'll be here. Perfect, Chris. We're going 14 hours tomorrow. Dude, 14 hours is a long day, Moji. Moji, you better be taking a couple bathroom breaks, like an hour-long bathroom breaks, and coming and hanging out in the live streams during your 14-hour shift tomorrow. Max, not financial advice. Dark cost average diet. Profits on the way up. Yeah, it could be a good way to get out if you're that kind of underwater on it, down like, I don't even know what that is, man, 80%. That's 70% maybe. It's a pretty deep decline. Darn, I guess my comments are not coming through. Anthony, yeah, they are, man, right there. Oh, the previous one, I see it. What's y'all's thoughts on keeping LUNC on Terra Station? Look, at this point in the game, I don't think that it's bad. Okay, if they announce that they're no longer supporting it, I think you're going to have to move. I mean, it's just inevitable that you're going to have to move at that point. So right now, everything that I've seen says that they are going to continue supporting Terra Station, and your Terra Luna Classic there should be safe. Elon told me he's going to go back. Well, if Elon told you, man, I'll believe it. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, no cows, only bulls, baby. Had enough D-days, need some green days, and a stampede of bulls to put these bears to rest. To the bull market, and long live true capitalism. I love it, Patrick. Thank you very much for that super chat, man. Dude, Patrick's getting us pumped. Patrick's getting us pumped for a bull market, man. He's getting us pumped for that bull run. Shoot. No cows, only bulls. Had enough D-days, need some green days, and a stampede of bulls to put these bears to rest. To the bull market, and long live true capitalism. I like Pat, man. If you guys aren't inspired after that, I don't know what you're sitting there doing. Pat, thank you very much for that super chat and getting everybody in here excited about the next bull market that will be coming right around the corner. Just like, what is that song? She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. Okay, just like that one, man. The bull markets are right around the corner. It's right around the mountain, man. Right around the mountain. Next level, yes. So we will set it up for springtime. Something, I don't know what you guys are setting up, but I like it. Dang, I'm Mo, bro. No rest for the weary, dude. Mo, bro, working 14-hour day is a very long day, man. The market preparing for the next week Fed meeting. You think more downside next week? Nufo, I think more downside next week if the market doesn't like the 50 basis point increase, or definitely more downside if we get a 75 basis point increase. That's my thoughts, man. I think that with the way Jerome Powell was talking and saying that we could see, in the minutes we're saying that we could see a slowing of the rate hikes as soon as December hits, that people started to expect that. The market started to expect that. And that's why the market is up from where it was last month. If we don't meet those expectations, I think it's inevitably gonna go lower. Pat D-Day is a dispensary day. Yeah, Pat might know that. I don't know if Pat knows that. Clint will be famous, I swear. Ray, dude, you're gonna be famous, man. Thoughts on when Shibarium releases? Yes, Russell. Soon, friend. Soon. No, I have no idea when Shibarium's going to re-release. Any time frame they ever give us is just soon, man. So I don't even know what soon means. Soon could mean in the next 5 years to them. I like guessing that kind of stuff, but they never really give any sort of indication as to when it's going to be. So I have literally no idea. Tomorrow is D-Day, so that means some Green Day. Just not the same green. Interesting, Chris. Unless that's the green that Pat was talking about, and you guys are both on the exact same page. I don't know, man. Elon's Noah's Ark tweet is symbolically telling us the bear market is over. It's been 40 days since Doge pumped. I've not seen Elon's tweet. I will have to look at that. And that is interesting, the way that you look at that. 1 o'clock. Not really. Just wanted to say it. Hey, Wana.
It's not 1 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Wana, if you're out there, thank you very much for listening to the live stream. Absolutely appreciate it.
And you guys know what time it is. So if you want to get your names in the chat, we'll do some shout outs, and we will be back tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You guys know the drill, man. Watch them twice, watch them thrice. Click the like button on all of them. The views have been just obscenely low lately with nobody interested in stocks and crypto. So appreciate every single one of you guys for hanging out in here, having a good time, keeping the chat going, keeping it positive, all that good stuff. We'll do these shout-outs, and we will be back tonight with videos. Ray, man, shout out to you, Max, Moji, 1776, Kenneth, King Mamba, Tim Hogan, Russell, Dark Bro, Moji, King Mamba, J-Bones, Anthony, King Mamba, Ray, Sparky, Old Rounder, Moji. Asking for Bronson? I don't even know, man. When MOAS? Yeah. I think Bronson had his MOAS. I think Bronson made his money the other day when the NASDAQ was up 4%. He probably bought some of those calls at a penny and sold them for $2 that day. And he had his MOAS, man. He 200X and he's out. Tim, man, see you later. Next level, new foe. Shiba Inu to Pluto. Ahoo! Yes, later, bro. See you later, Moji. Enjoy your work tomorrow if you're not in here, man. J-Bone, Scastonify, Kenneth, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you, outdoor smile. Thank you very much for the king. Dude, I don't even want to... I don't even want to pretend like I'm smoking, man. I don't like cigarette smoke. So we've got emphysema. Thank you very much for the king cigarette there. Skystonify. Thank you, Skystonify, for the mustache. I really appreciate the mustache, Skystonify. Thank you. Enough of these double intenders. Guna. Guna. I don't even know what this... Intendress? Enough of these double intendress. Guna. What is Guna? Pat, man, thank you very much for confusing me even further because I do not know what Guna is. All of you guys, man. Outdoor Smiles, thanks for the super chat. Ray, see you later. Scastonify, King Mama, Summer Pro, see you later. Tim, next level. We got Pat, man, next level. Ivan, we've got Ray, Tim, all of you guys. Pat, dude, thank you very much again. Even though I don't know what Guna is. You guys know what time it is, so you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.